Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. Students, I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging 2. This video is in continuation of your previous one. So in this video, we are going to cover our second subject, which is mathematics. Okay, so you all have to be ready with your child-centric mathematics perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful book. Okay, along with it, you must have to carry some beans. Okay, I will show you. These are some beans which I have. So you also have to carry some beans in a bowl, right? And you need to carry some skittles. Okay, if you don't have skittles, so you can also use buttons with you, right? So these two things you must have to carry with you because today I am going to introduce you an activity also. So these things you must have to carry. First of all, be ready with all of these and then we will continue with our session. Hurry up, please. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm waiting for you all. Everyone. Arav, Anaisha, Arna, Devansh, Devanshi. Everyone, come quick. Hurry up. Ma'am is waiting for you all. Harvey, Gunisha, Jasleen, Nityam, Mankirat, Mitakshi, Rayan. Come quick, every one of you. Sanvi, Samad, Sukaran, Sahaj, Supriya, Vaidik, hurry up, Udavir. Okay, now I think so. Everyone is ready. Okay, let's open your book first. As in the previous session, we already completed our tier 5. So students, today what we will do, today we will start with the new tier. Okay, आज मैम आपको new tier start करवाएंगे. So you all have to come on page number 4646. All right, so kindly open page number 46. Before starting this tier, I want to tell you a story. Okay, so for that, I'll prepare a simple worksheet for you all. Okay, you just have to listen and you have to give answers as per your knowledge. Okay, chalo, let's start now. Students, see, many more times we see that we will somewhere. Okay, your mama is having some amount of candies with her, right? मम्मा के पास कुछ candies होती है ना? यू आर टू सिबलिंग्स एट होम और सपोज आपके फ्रेंड्स भी हैं तो मम्मा को क्या करना पड़ता है मम्मा को उन टॉफीज को इक्वली आप में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है ताकि कोई भी स्टूडेंट नाराज ना हो है ना दैट आई विल गेट लेस टॉफी एंड ही विल गेट मोर टॉफीज राइट सो मम्मा को क्या करना पड़ता है मम्मा को इक्वल डिवाइड करनी पड़ती है कैंडीज among you all. So let's see how mama will do that. है ना? Is it easy or is it not? Let's see. Okay, students, what you will see over here, जब मम्मा आपको equally distribute करते हैं ना, तो उसको बोलते हैं division. What we call that thing? Division. जब कुछ भी एक आपकी great amount है ना, कुछ भी एक whole amount, when we equally divide it among some people, then what we will say we will do division. Okay, chalo let's find out how your mama will do that so easily. Okay, so you will see here this is a candy box. What is it? Candy box. ये क्या है मम्मा का कैंडी बॉक्स है when mama is so happy so mama will give their child some candies but in equal amount, right? So what will happen? This is a short story which I'll tell you. Okay, so this is a candy box. किसका है ये कैंडी बॉक्स मम्मा का है कैंडी बॉक्स राइट इसमें बहुत सारी कैंडीज हैं सो व्हाट हैपन दीज आर टू siblings. This is Ram and this is Reena. So what happened? Mama is having टू टॉफीज इन द कैंडी बॉक्स। मम्मा के पास सारी कैंडीज फिनिश हो गई है। अब कैंडी बॉक्स में कितनी टॉफीज है स्टूडेंट्स? टू टॉफीज है। अब टू टॉफीज को किसको देना है? राम को भी देना है, एंड रीना ऑल्सो वांट टॉफी। सो व्हाट मम्मा विल डू? मम्मा हैव ओनली टू टॉफीज, बट मम्मा हैव टू गिव बोथ ऑफ देम। सो व्हाट मम्मा विल डू? मम्मा ने क्या करा? सबसे पहले मम्मा विल गिव वन कैंडी टू, मम्मा विल गिव वन कैंडी टू रीना। मम्मा ने क्या करी? वन कैंडी रीना को दे दी, एंड वन कैंडी गिव टू राम। सो बोथ ऑफ देम विल गेट हाउ मेनी कैंडीज? दोनों के पास कितनी कितनी कैंडीज आई? रीना is having one candy and Ram is also having one candy. So see, मम्मा इज सो स्मार्ट। मम्मा ने दोनों को वन वन कैंडी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दी, और दोनों के पास कितनी अमाउंट है? वन वन ईच। सो स्टूडेंट्स, यू विल सी दैट मम्मा इज हैविंग टू कैंडीज। मम्मा के पास टू कैंडीज थी, और मम्मा ने उन टू कैंडीज को क्या करना था? दोनों ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स में डिवाइड करना था। सी, दैट इज डिविजन साइन। ओके, दिस साइन इज ऑफ डिविजन, राइट? मम्मा ने क्या करना था? मम्मा हैव टू डिवाइड टू कैंडीज among two people, means among their two kids. So mama will give one toffee to Reena, one toffee to Ram. So each get how many candies? One candy. Okay, so let's see next day what mama will do. Now in the candy box, mama has four candies. How many candies? Four. Now mama has four candies. Now what mama will do? Mama will give one candy to Reena, one candy to Ram. Two, then one candy to Reena again, and one candy to Ram again. So now Mama will distribute four candies to both of their kids. One, two, three, four. But each one will get how many candies? दोनों को कितनी कितनी कैंडीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुई? Each will get two candies. रीना के पास भी two candies है, and Ram is also having two candies. That means when you divide four toffees among two person, you will get how many? Each will get two candies. Okay, two equal candies. ना रीना को ज्यादा मिली है और ना राम को ज्यादा मिली है ना? Everyone will get equal candies. Okay, so that is the magic of division. When you do division in your mathematics, that means you are dividing a whole number in equal parts. Okay, आप किसी भी क्वांटिटी को, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट, सपोज अगर आप नोटबुक्स डिवाइड कर रहे हो, ठीक है, यू आर डिवाइडिंग समथिंग, तो आप उसको इक्वल पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट करोगे। ठीक है, fine students, so that is division. In our general life also we do division. जैसे मैम ने अभी आपको स्टोरी बताई, मम्मा को कई बार करना पड़ जाता है ना, दैट मम्मा इज हैविंग दिस मच टॉफीज, मम्मा हैव टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द इक्वल अमाउंट to both of their kids, right? So that is division. And what is the sign of division? The sign of division is this, right? Okay, so students, this is a short story जिससे मैम ने आपको क्लियर करा that why we use division. हमें डिविजन की मैथमेटिक्स में और अपनी जर्नल लाइफ में क्यों नीड होती है? Why we will need? Because if we want to divide it in equal halves, है ना, अगर हमें अमाउंट को इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है, so we will use to do division, right? Okay, so now we will learn the division more with an activity. Fine students, we will use to do this activity with split board. ठीक है, ये जो आपका डिवीजन बोर्ड है, इसकी हेल्प से हम डिवीजन एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करेंगे, राइट? एंड आई यूज्ड टू टेल यू दैट यू मस्ट हैव बीन्स फॉर दैट, एंड you need to have buttons or skittles with you. Fine? Okay, let's start now. First of all, what we will do, we will introduce the concept of division with the help of division board sheet. I already introduced you about division, that why we will use to do division, because we have to divide it in equal parts. So what we will do, we will do division, है ना. अब यहाँ पर in this worksheet, how I will introduce you division with this डिवीजन बोर्ड शीट, राइट. ये जो आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे, व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज अ डिवीजन बोर्ड शीट. इस शीट को आप यूज करोगे टू डू डिवीजन, राइट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स फाइंड आउट नेक्स्ट. So, introduce the children to the skittles. Now you will see what are skittles. See, these are skittles. Okay, और ये जो आपका upper numbers है, upper row है, that is the control chart. Fine, students. These are 9 skittles. So, parents, if you don't have skittles, so you will use buttons also. Okay, आप buttons की का भी use कर सकते हो in place of skittles, right? So, give 9 skittles or buttons to each child. Fine. Propose any division sum. आप कोई भी division का sum दे सकते हो. See, I'll prepare some flashcards for our kids. Suppose this one. Yes. 4 divided by 2. Students, the very first number 4. That means I have 4 number of things. What I have? 4 number of things. Suppose we are taking candies, because you all love to eat candies. So I will take candies, right? So I have 4 candies. 4 number of candies. Ma'am के पास कितनी candies है? 4 candies है. Right? Keep this in your mind. Now, मैम को क्या करना है? मैम will have to distribute these 4 candies among 2 kids. मैम को 4 candies को 2 kids में क्या करना है? Distribute करना है. How I will do that? है ना? How I will do that? That is a difficult task for me, right? So how I will do that? See, you have to look at here now. Students, what I will do, I have 4 candies and I have to distribute among 2 kids. This is my first kid and this is my second kid box, right? I will take one toffee and put it in the first student box. मैम ने क्या करा? मैम ने one toffee ली, one candy ली and put it in his bag. Now I will take another candy and put it in the second student bag. I left with 2 more because I have to distribute 4 candies, right? Now again I will take one more and I will give it to the first one. Then one to the second one. So I will distribute total 4 candies. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. And each one will get how many candies? दोनों students को, student A, student B के पास कितनी कितनी candies है? That you will see from this strip board, right? So each will get 2 candies. So your answer is 2. What's your answer? Your answer is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, right? Okay, let's take a simple equation. Okay, let's take the simple equation. So again, you will come on top. Here. So students, now I will show you the flashcards. See, what is written over here? I told you na, this sign is of division. What is that sign? Division. So we will do division today. So 2 divided by 2. That means 2 divided by 2. So I have 2 toffees. Your ma'am is having how many toffees? 2 toffees. Ma'am के पास 2 toffees हैं, right? And इन 2 टॉफीज को मैम ने 2 स्टूडेंट्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. क्या करना है? 2 स्टूडेंट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है, राइट? ये जो आपका स्किटल है, यू विल गेट इट एज 2 स्टूडेंट्स. ये 2 स्टूडेंट्स है, 1 और 2. ठीक है, दीज आर 2 स्टूडेंट्स and ma'am will have to distribute 2 toffees among these 2 students. So what I will do, I will give 1 toffee to one child and second toffee to the other child. So I distribute two toffees among these two students. But now you have to tell me, you will see from here, हर एक को कितनी कैंडीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुई है, वन वन कैंडी. यू विल सी दिस फ्रॉम दिस कंट्रोल चार्ट. ओके, दोनों स्टूडेंट्स को वन वन कैंडी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हुई. सो व्हाट्स योर आंसर? योर आंसर इज वन. व्हाट्स योर आंसर? योर आंसर इज वन. Okay, now let's do another one. So we will practice it with board. If we do practice it with board, then we will come to know this method of division. Now the next equation is, this one we already solved. We will solve this one. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Okay, so you will come up here. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Okay, I'm having 6 beans. How many beans? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I will take 6 beans from the bowl. Right. Now what I have to do? I have to distribute these 6 beans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 beans, right? Now how will I distribute it? These are 6 beans and I have to distribute these 6 beans among 2 kids, right? 2 students में मैम को इन 6 beans को distribute करना है, right? So these are 2 students where I put 2 skittles. Now I will take one bean and put it over here. Okay, you will take one bean and give it to the one student. Now take another bean and give it to the second student. 1, 2. Again, you will take next bean, third bean, give it to the first one. Now you will give it to the other one, this one. Then you must take the fifth bean and give it to the first one. Then sixth bean and give it to the second one. So students, अब आपके पास you don't have any beans because you already distribute 6 beans among 2 students, है ना? 2 students में आपको distribute करने थे. If there are 3 students, so you will put skittle over here. तो आप यहाँ पर भी distribute करते, ठीक है? But you have to distribute among only 2 students, okay? तो आपने इन्हीं 2 students में distribute करने. You don't have to go on the another row, right? So अब आपने 6 के 6 बीन्स को अपने 2 स्टूडेंट्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू, यू विल काउंट दैट हाउ मेनी बीन्स ईच स्टूडेंट विल गेट. दिस इज द स्टूडेंट 1 एंड दिस इज द स्टूडेंट 2. स्टूडेंट 1 के पास कितने बीन्स है? 1 बीन, 2, 3. स्टूडेंट 1 के पास तो 3 बीन्स है, राइट? वी विल चेक इट फ्रॉम द कंट्रोल चार्ट ऑल्सो. आपके कंट्रोल चार्ट में भी कहां तक कलर्ड है? 1, 2, 3. So yes, our answer is right. Okay, now we will check how many beans our second student will get. So it's 1, 2, 3. Again, our control chart will show the same number. That means each student will get 3 beans. Each student will get 3 beans. So our answer is 3. Right, students? हमारा answer क्या हुआ? Answer is 3. So what you will do? You will come back and write your answer over here. Write your answer. Your answer is 3. Yes. Now what we will do? Let's read the next equation. It's 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2. Come up. Here I will erase and write the current equation. Okay, 8 divided by 2. अब आपके पास कितनी beans है? You have to count 8 beans. 8 beans आप count करके you have to take it in your hands. 8, 8. अब नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड 8 बीन्स. अब आपको 8 बीन्स को 2 स्टूडेंट्स में डिवाइड करना है ना, और इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन, वन स्टूडेंट विल फील सैड. ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर आप इफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स आर योर फेवरेट बट आप किसी एक स्टूडेंट को कुछ एक्स्ट्रा दे देते हो, सो अदर वन विल फील बैड, right? Because they also love you. So you have to divide in equal amount. Okay, so you have 8 beans. How many beans you have? 8 beans. आपके पास 8 beans है और आपको 8 beans को सिर्फ 2 स्टूडेंट्स में, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट एंड दिस इज योर सेकेंड स्टूडेंट, राइट? इन 2 स्टूडेंट्स में आपने इक्वल अमाउंट में डिवाइड करना है. तो आप क्या करोगे? फर्स्टली आप बीन्स को काउंट करोगे, 8 बीन्स लोगे, ठीक है? हाँ जी. सो आई विल टेक 8 beans. 1 bean, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I am having 8 beans now in my hand. मैम के पास 8 beans है. You can also do it another way. ठीक है, 8 beans है. Now, what I will do, I will take 1 bean and give to one kid. एक स्टूडेंट को मैम ने 1 bean दिया to the one child. Then I will take another bean and give it to the second one. Give it to the second one. 1, 2, then 3 to the first one. To the first one. Then 4. Okay. Then 5, 5, 5. Then 6 to the second. Then 7 to first and 8. Okay. So in that way I'll distribute all the beans. मैम ने क्या किया? सारे beans को distribute कर दिया in these 2 friends. Okay, 2 students में मैम ने 8 के 8 beans को distribute किया. Now what I have to do afterwards? I have to check now कि हर एक स्टूडेंट को इक्वल नंबर ऑफ बीन्स अलॉट हुए हैं या नहीं हुए हैं. तो आई विल काउंट इट. Okay, firstly I will count it, and then afterwards, to check my answer that my answer is correct, I will match it with the control chart. Okay students, let's do that now. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट को कितने अलॉट हुए? 4, राइट? सो दिस इज करेक्ट. सेकेंड स्टूडेंट को भी सेम नंबर ऑफ beans allot होने चाहिए. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, he also get 4. So each one will get 4 beans. So my answer is 4. What's my answer? My answer is 4. So you will write over here 4. Okay students? Now we will solve the next one. Let's find out what's our next equation. So students, see, with this method, the method of division board method, we will learn that how we have to divide the number of quantities in equal amount. Okay, so let's do it with the next equation. So here it is 10 divided by 2. Okay, I am having 10 beans. How much beans I am having? I am having 10 beans. Okay, 10 beans I am having, and I have to divide those 10 beans among 2 students. Okay, those 10 beans I have to divide among 2 students. So you will write the equation first over here. So what we will do, we will divide these 10 beans among 2 students. Okay, where I put these kettles. These kettles, you have to keep it in your mind that these kettles are 2 students. Okay, these are 2 students. Okay, I will also make their hands. Okay, these are their hands. Okay, now you will get that these are two students. Fine. Okay, now these are two students. Fine. So now I will distribute 10 beans. Okay, I am having 10 beans. I already get these 10 beans in my hand. Right now I have to distribute it among two students, these two students. Okay, student A, student B. So now I will take one bean, give it to first one, then two, then three, then four, then five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. I'll distribute all the 10 beans to my two students. Now what I will do? I will check that how many beans should each will have. How I will do? Count it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. A will have 5 beans. You will see it from control chart. 5 beans. Second one will have one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second one is also having 5 beans, right? It will be showing the control chart. So your answer is 5. That means when you divide 10 object among 2 person, you will get 5. योर आंसर इज 5. ठीक है, अगर आप 10 ऑब्जेक्ट्स को टू पर्सन में, टू डिफरेंट पर्सन में डिवाइड करते हो तो दोनों के पास कितना कितना जाएगा? इक्वल अमाउंट, 5 to 1, 5 to another. Okay, now what we will do the next equation. Okay, so students, this is our next equation. Equation is 12 divided by 2. What is it? 12 divided by 2, right? So what we will do? We will take 12 beans, right? How many beans we will take first? 12 beans, okay? Let me erase it first. So here I will write the equation. Yes. So we have to take 12 beans, and these 12 beans I have to divide among two kids. These are two kids, right? These are two kids. I have to take 12 beans from here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Once I take 12 beans, now I have to distribute among these two kids. Let's start. Firstly, I will put one bean. I will give one bean to him. Then second bean I will give to him. Then third bean to him. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, nine, 10, 11, 12. By this method, I distribute all my 12 beans to these two kids. Now I don't have any bean. I will distribute all my 12 beans to these two kids. Now let's count how many total beans each will get. दोनों को कितने कितने beans allot हुए हैं, है ना? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first student will get how many beans? 6 beans. He will get 6 beans. Now see, count another ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She is also getting the same number of beans, 6 beans. So what's our answer? Our answer is 6. That means when you will divide 12 beans among two persons, so those person will get 6 in equal amount. Okay, so that's our answer. Now students, what you all have to do, rest of the equations you have to solve by on. Okay, in the similar method you have to solve these equations. Okay, students, one thing I want to tell you, if you don't have beans, if you don't have those beans, so you can also take chana beans. Fine, you can also take chana at place of this, right? Otherwise, simply you will use any crayons and do the following equations. So students, these equations you have to solve by or on. Fine. So that's all for your today session. You have to complete this whole worksheet with activity. Okay. I already tell you that you can take beans. If you don't have these beans, so you can also use chana at place of this, right? And for skittles, you can also use buttons. Is that clear to you all? If in case there is any doubt, so you are going to ask me first. Fine. And do these equations by on. First of all, take an initiate and do these equations by on. Okay, in the next session I will clear your doubts if you have any, and we will solve these equations. Okay, that's it. Have a good day. Bye bye.